Hello everyone, this is my unboxing and my review of Roidmi X20 vacuum. So this is quite an old model. They have already launched the X30, so this review is a bit late. Okay, so once you open this box, you see that they pack it nicely. This is the instruction manual, nothing much. Okay. So yeah, just some paper. And there's a cutter to brush and some knife so that you can cut off the wire at the vacuum page. Okay, so over here it's stacked nicely. So this is the rolling brush. This is the first one. This is something extra. Okay, so how you put inside. Okay. Second, next there's a power adapter. Okay. And the third one is accessory. Okay. See. Okay, this is screw. Then this is the so-called the mounting kit. This is the power cable. You can either plug it directly to this one, or you can just plug it directly to the vacuum to charge. Okay. This is the mattress brush. Okay, so once this for small things like for the mattress, etc. Okay. So this is the rest of the thing. So this is the stem, this is the water tank. Okay, so you pour water over at this spot. Okay, you can open and pour some water. Okay, then you can attach this cloth. Okay, then you kind of soak water for you to brush. Okay. This is the vacuum, so you can attach this to the back like this. Okay, so that when you vacuum, this part will wipe. You can vacuum, then this part will wipe the floor. Okay. This is the actual vacuum. Okay, so you can connect this. Okay. Now there's two additional accessories. So this is the brush head. Okay. Then this is the pole. Okay. Yeah, you can suck dust at corner, etc. Okay. So let me put this aside and yeah. Okay. So this is how the entire vacuum looks like. Okay. So let's see how well it does. Okay. Okay, so this is the vacuum. There's one button over here, one button over here, and there's a charging port over here. Okay, so you can plug the power in directly, or if you prefer, you can also mount this on the wall. Okay, so that you can just charge, and you can just lay this on the wall so that you can sort of mount it onto the wall. Okay. So that you look something like this. Okay, so you can just stick it to the wall whenever you have end the vacuum, so that you can just charge the vacuum. Okay, so and as for the body, so this is the battery indicator. So there's 3 battery. You can also check through the app, and there's the indicator if the tank is full. Okay, which you can see mine is quite dusty right now. Okay, so the vacuum itself has 3 speed. Okay, and the vacuum is quite loud. Okay, so let's hear it. Yeah, as you can hear, the sound of the vacuum is actually quite loud. Okay. So this mopping, right, it actually depends on surface. So like surface, right, like mine, which is vinyl, okay, you look at it at a corner, okay, you can only see that there's two strap of water, okay, so you see this one, okay, so it's not uniformly over the vacuum itself, okay, but usually I will just go through it a few more times so that everything gets mopped over the floor, okay. Okay, so on normal tiles floor, okay, if you can see, right, the mopping function is slightly better, okay. So as the strap is much longer compared to vinyl tiles, okay. The vacuum also has a sensor that turns on the light whenever it's dark, okay. So if it's bright, the light will actually go off. So I use the mattress brush to brush my sofa. So I use this flexible hose to suck up things in the cupboard. I use this brush to suck out on things on the different surfaces. And surprisingly, this brush head over here, you can pop it off. Okay, so for this head, right, you can use it to suck corners of the house. So this Roidmi X20 vacuum has been a life game changer for me, okay. So for example, right, for this the mopping attachment, okay, I just open this over here, okay. Now I'll pour some of this Dettol inside this attachment, okay. So this helps to give the floor some slight hint of this Dettol smell, which makes me think that the floor is really clean. And because of this, right, I no longer sweep or mop my floor as frequently. Occasionally I still do, but yeah, but nowadays I tend to just use this vacuum in place of both the mop and sweeping. Yeah, that's my review. Thank you.